Sesizoqala manje imaka. Come on, ngifake. Oh Nkosi yami, another day. Another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar. Sanibonani. Eyi, ngiyibukile ividiyo yeSilo. Did you watch the video yeSilo? Did you watch the outfit? The outfit. Did you see the outfit, man? That Isilo was wearing. It's crazy. It's a very interesting outfit. Oh, Nkosi yami. Let us begin the live. Komteng Sambheka. Give me a few minutes. Komteng Sambheka. Thank you for the gift. Ibu. Nzithe singasijwayele into yenzayo la ekhaya. Si shocked. Bhuti omdala. Siyabingelela. Nkosi yami khona sangambheka. Kangazi. Ngaphele ejele. Sanibonani. Komteng Sambheka. Give me a few minutes. Sobe sesiyaqala. Did you see the thing ebigqokwe iSilo? iSilo saka Zulu was wearing i-outfits yama Freemasons. Kodwa manje igqoke in a Zulu way. It was very interesting. Oh Nkosi. Abasafihli manje. Basafihli manje. Nothing, everything public manje. Everything. Abasafihli manje. Manje. Mayesekwazi ukugqoka outfits publicly nje. Kurelaxiwe ngonakanga lutho. That's crazy. Gqoke nje akhululeke. That's crazy. Komteng imbhekayo la. Give me a few minutes. Our Minister of Enjoyment. I wonder namhlanje. I'm looking for someone here. Please wait. Do you know Coach Noni? Can we get to Coach Noni lana? Ngiyafisa. Bani uyibiza ngoCoach Noni? That would be nice. If I can manage to get no more Amanda, Amahle Dube. Ngizame to get either Coach Noni or Amahle Dube here. It'd be an interesting live there. Sorry, siyabonakala amakhumseni kade ngabona. Sengivula i-live seziyakhala guys, seziyakhala ngizonifaka. If I can get to Amanda Dube la, or if I can get like Coach Noni, Nyama's Coach Noni. If I can get to Coach Noni, would be interesting. Ngizozama would be an interesting live. Yeah, ngizozama. I'm sorry, I just woke up. DM Amanda ngizuthuthi. DM Amanda. DM ngizuthuthi. It's Amanda. I'm gonna start the live soon. Nyazi angimotivate. Khona bangena. You should do that.
Toolbox.
Oh wow. Hello.
9864.
Njani?
When unjani?
9864.
You at work?
Yes. And it seems like you're not at work. Pardon?
Sebenza. HMC. Group, what's that? Oh, hey. Oh, a dealership. So your castles.
No. Angidayisi imoto. I work at service.
Okay. That's interesting. What does that mean?
So I'm a service advisor. Basically, I just help with maintenance part of the vehicle.
All right. Wow. That means you're securing the bag.
So I don't sell cars. Selling cars is too much.
Yeah, it must be easy. Just advertising motor.
Aibo, akukalula. It's not easy. Not everyone has money to buy a car.
And how does one become
A service advisor?
Yes.
Yes, study. Yes, to be a technician. I'm a technician. Supposed to be.
The right way is.
No matter where was ba.
That's the wrong way. But the right way is like to be a technician, and then Mosopuma from Mogoba a technician. From being a technician, then you can move into being a service advisor. But
can someone without a university or college degree become one? Noma?
Yeah.
Or put in knowledge
the
first car rental.
It's the first car rental. First car, yeah. So we are knowledge so money.
That's crazy. Wow.
Yeah, as long as you have experience in the motor industry, then you can make.
You got any other kids?
No.
Kids.
Yeah.
Pardon? I'll tell you, right?
Yes. So you must know how to drive. Nobody service advisor how to try it.
That's crazy.
You need to have a driver's license.
Okay, like where in South Africa are you?
Durban. I'm in Durban. Morning, Mr. Mbata.
Hey, man, Jimmy, I'm an influencer. I don't think I can fit in like the self-provider thing.
Aibo, you can. Basically, Uber service advisor is a better job than being paid. Because if you're a service advisor, you'll always have customers.
Oh, please.
Can you also check my steering? It's so hard. It's
because
like
when you buy a car, you need to maintain it.
That's
very hard for me.
Second is
in
driving the
South Africa
vehicle.
who are working, maybe you get hired as a
You remember the
because I got with the
remote?
Avula.
Remote in the car.
Tell them.
Watching
Was the car inside?
to get hired lab. What's the process?
So you need 2 years of experience. You need a driver's license. What else?
For what? Service
Service advisor.
knowledge.
Yeah, and basically vehicle knowledge.
I'm looking for 2 keys.
Even if you don't know the brand, you say like Kasi, but you need to have a knowledge A mode.
864.
That's interesting. And where do they go? Where do they go?
Okay, so
Face to face. No matters where now. Like where do they go? No, educate about this is interesting.
So if you want to join CMH, this group, because there's different groups in the motor industry. Yeah, so there's motors, there's CMH, there's SMG, there's halfway, there's different groups. So depending on which group you want to join, CMH, they have their own career page. So you go CMH careers, and then Lapo Izoba Konim there you'll find all the jobs in the motor industry. So it's service advisor, technician, salesperson, F&I, driver, you name it.
You guys also check the brakes, the tires,
So anything to do with the motor industry. But the nice thing with being in the motor industry, you don't need a like as long as you have a background in vehicles. You just need to know how to sell. Then you
and also not driving a HP when I apply the brake, it should have
We also have a sales agent lab,
people that sell vehicles. Yes, on the other side. So I got service, and then the other side, I got sales.
like when I'm doing 120.
So very comfortable. I'll show you.
I like 100.
So this is the showroom floor. So this is the sales division, yeah. Yeah. Bye.
Sales agent, do they get paid on commission? Do they have a salary? What's
It
the plan for
depends.
them?
It depends what brand you're selling. Not every brand has big commission. Don't be fooled. Sales people are not rich. Just because they sell, just because they drive nice company cars, it doesn't mean they're making good money. Trust me.
Sometimes they don't make nothing.
Exactly. Some are not even making the money.
There's one vehicle that I need to pick up
Check
on
me
the
out.
airport.
Check me out. Do you think with me and my fan base, I can be a salesperson? Don't. check me out.
You know what? There is a dealership that is in Durban that is literally like milking the hi Njani Sapi used car floor. Yes. So you're gonna go this way, then you're gonna go through the Suzuki floor, and then Pony used car floor. Yes. Sorry about that.
Who don't want to do that big, eh?
Because I sit by the door.
Okay, it's so famous. Okay, you were explaining like, I'm a salesy. They get paid
So
commission.
there's a dealership line Durban that is taking AMA social media influencers. So basically they take them as AMA cadets. A cadet is a person who's never sold a car before. It's like umuntu usuke eqala ukudayisa imoto, yabo. So they're all working there. The likes of the big social media influencers are all working there, and currently they're looking for more.
Now my cadets.
You'll make it as a cadet because you've never sold before. Yeah, bo. So if you go onto halfway Durban, on TikTok, you'll find them. They're looking for someone who has a big following, who is very big on social media, and who wants to try selling vehicles. They'll take you.
Yes, everyone who's watching. Yes, black, sister. Yes, black. I'm telling everyone. My comments are blowing up right now. People want to know, but they're more interested because Isuzu, Napoleon and stuff. Yeah, but you did tell them it's in the Bayagui website, CM.
Yeah, CMH. So it's CMH Careers. So you just go and Google Upalu CMH Careers, and that's where you're gonna find all the job opportunities aga CMH Group. And then joba kade sengixplainile ama group maningi. Yabo. Like ka motors, you'll find Hyundai. Halfway uzothola bani. What's this? Omoda or Jator, those brands, and or halfway.
If we suppose that we're gonna tell them.
Yeah, so try. So if you know you've got a big social media following, go onto a page like halfway. They're looking for abantu who are big on social media who want to try out car sales. Like Omadlega are working there, or Pilani Vumase, they're working there, or Pilasande, all the social media influencers are working there in Durban.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for sharing. I feel like Bantu learned a lot.
It's a pleasure.
Was fun. I don't wanna lie. Nizwile-ke abanye osebenza-ke laphayana-ke abanye osebenza ka-CMH guys. Usenplugile usistera. Usenplugile usister. Usenplugile. Now you know. Now you know. Now you know. Thank you so much for the gift, Ayibu. Asijwayele leyo nto la ekhaya le uyenzayo. It's new. Siyabonga though. Another one. Hey, thank you so much though. I think mangamtholi umuntu ngizoqala i-live. Advertise imoto, that's crazy. Tina. How are you, Tina?
I'm fine. How are you, Zero? Why are you Zero?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Yeah, Tina.
Yeah, they show me only 10 minutes by your. After 10 minutes. Hi.
Hi.
It's a lot, Tina. It's a lot. Hey.
Because.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Where are you from?
Tina.
I'm from South Africa. Where are you from?
I'm from Rwanda.
Where are you from?
I'm from Rwanda.
Hey, Tina, you're from Rwanda.
Hi, Rian.
Yeah, where are you from?
He's from South Africa.
Oh,
Such a
South Africa
pity.
too.
Such a
You know, people used to tell me like I'm from. They are confusing me like I'm from South Africa, but I don't know. Am I look like
Hey,
South Africa
Tina,
people?
don't. No, you don't, Tina. You don't.
Oh, wow.
Like not even a little bit. Not even a
Hmm?
little bit. Nothing. Nothing about you says South Africa, Tina. Nothing at all.
Mm.
Not even a
No,
little
it's
bit.
okay. No, I'm okay. I'm okay. When they tell me I'm from South Africa, I'm okay with that.
Ah, no, nothing, nothing. Not even a little bit look South African. You're not even a little bit. Not even a tiny bit South African. Nothing at all.
Mm. Really? But I'm from South Africa.
Telling you, trust me, I'm from South Africa and I'm telling you nothing, absolutely nothing says South Africa about you.
Mm. Okay. What are you doing on TikTok? Zero.
Yeah, Tina. Yes, Tina.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What time is it
You
there?
should go, you should go to the gym. You should start going to the gym, Tina.
Mm. Why?
Hey, it's a
Why should I
lot.
go to?
It's
What
a
is it
lot.
around? It's around, right?
Hey, yeah, it's a lot to handle. Hey,
What is it around to handle? I'm confused.
hey. You know, Tina, you know.
No, I don't
Yeah.
know. There are some people who like people like Tina. So what is it difficult to handle?
Hey, hey. When you stand up, does the chair make a sound?
No.
Prove it.
Mm-mm. Yeah, I don't need to prove it. Why should I don't need. But
I'm
the chair
telling
is
you,
not moving.
you should go to the gym. It's
Mm,
beneficial.
okay, you like skinny people, right?
No, I'm not saying you're fat. I would never call you fat. I would never say you're
No,
fat.
even if no. It's like I mean I don't have any problem with that. I'm just asking
No,
you a simple question.
but I would
So why are
never.
you telling me to go to the gym then?
Me calling you fat would never happen. You are not fat. You are not a fat girl. You are not fat. You're
Expensive.
not.
Thank you for the follow. I didn't say that. I'm just asking you a question,
No,
which
I
is
would never.
normal.
I would never. Now it's like I'm
You
body shaming. I'm not body shaming you.
no, you did it already.
No, I didn't. I would never body shame you.
No. It's not even. I'm okay with that. That's what I'm saying.
No, it's okay. Don't be angry.
Me angry with you with zero. Even your name is there. So how should I be?
Angry. No, we're just having fun. I know. It sounds like we just good morning. Abantu bavukile now. We're gonna start the live. People are up. Yeah. I was hoping today we can get like a celebrity. If we can manage to get like a celebrity, but who? Big. Who? If we can get like a celebrity, it would be nice. Yeah, it would be very nice. Nah, he ain't live. Mm. Mm. Okay, it's fine. Let's start the live now. Comment 0. Bro, are you on YouTube? Yes, I am. Ngikhona ngiyatholakala ku-YouTube. I'm on all platforms, all digital platforms. Sengiyanifaka manje. Sengiyanifaka manje. Ramatla, you have to answer today. Abantu manje. Yes, I wish I man.
Blessed.
Blessed. Sizobuye sikubizeke.
Sanibona.
Hello.
Ninjani?
Life is good. Life is good. Abantu la. Khona ngisho unonduzi yakhala.
Ngikhona ngisasendlini 0 niyaphila.
Sikhona.
Hayi ngiyaphila nami, ngiyaphila ngikhona.
And uDecember I'm sure busy, like I'm sure kuningi.
Hayi ngibhizi ngempela ngibhizi kodwa kwamanje ngisengakaphumi sasendlini.
I understand. December is a very busy time for abantu abaningi. Sibona. Vele nami ngisafaka abantu.
Hello, Mapinga. Morning, Mapinga.
Hello. Kunjani? How are you? Khona ngisho umfundisi, khona usithenjiwe.
Hi 0.
Hello.
Hi 0. Ngizokumosha umoya ekseni nje. Uzwile ukuthi iCongo isayine ideal no Donald Trump. iCongo nelona ne Rwanda. That's why uTrump angayincengi South Africa. That's why angancengi. Usayine ideal uqedile. You guys, you're gonna dance. That is why I love America. That is why I love Donald Trump.
Me too. I love Donald Trump.
Baziyele bona. iCongo iziyele nathi sikhathele sina 60 years eAfrica silwa. No one care. No one care.
Mama Mfundisi, he's a humanitarian. He's not like Joe Biden.
Donald Trump amzondela mahalo. Donald Trump yazifana nabafana noZuma. Bazomxabutha akafundanga, uyisilima. Okusala uyipresident bayivotele. Bamvotela abantu bakhe. Bethanda bengathanda. And ngithanda ngoDonald Trump. Wenza uhamba ngendlela eright. Khipha wonke ama-illegal foreign nationals. Ubuyisa i-country be-right. Khipha wonke ama-country angenqonde engasile njengase-South Africa njengabo Ramaphosa abangasile abangazazi ukuthi bamephi. Azazi ukuthi uhamba ne-West or uhamba ne-Asia. So wenzani ngalabo bantu labo khona abantu ba-useless labo. Ukhiphe China, ukhiphe everything. Udila namazwe anengqondo.
Okay.
Damn.
Wow. Mina, I want to balance something. Someone.
Morning, boy.
Hello.
Kunjani mkhulu? Hello 0.
Hello, ngiyaphila kunjani sisithandiwe?
Ngiyaphila sithandwa sami nguma wakho mina ngimdala.
Yes, ma.
Siyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho baba.
Ngiyabonga.
Siyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho baba ku TikTok. Siyawuthanda kakhulu. Engathi uNkulunkulu angakusiza akuphephise kona konke.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Welcome. Ngiyaqala
But
ngiyajabulisa ungena. Ngiyaqala ukubona.
I know. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mkhulu. Ube right. uNkulunkulu akubusise.
No problem. Thank you. Nami nosisimbali lapho. Let's welcome abangazi bangene. Nosisimbali. Hello. Please unmute. Sawubona.
Hello, kunjani Zero?
Ngiyaphila, welcome. Ngiyaqala ukubona phezulu.
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami. Nami nje ngizongena ukuncoma first. Angizwa?
Ngiyaqala ukubona phezulu kwiphela.
Ngingenela ukuncoma first. Muhle umsebenzi wakho.
Thank you.
Oh, Zero, this is not my first time. Maybe usukhohliwe. Okay, ngiyabonga. Sharp.
Yeah. Hi, Kale, what's the topic here? Mamfundisi kade eza nayo. Someone was cooking, ngiyaxolisa ukuphazamisa.
ngithi i-America ngiyayazi Zero kudala ngilanda i-America ayenzi into ezoyibhayizisa. I-America mayiqala izo-sanction i-South Africa isuke seyazi ukuthi izowinana. I-America mayiqala i-sanction iZimbabwe yayisiyazi ukuthi izowina i-South Africa. Yazi ngibathandelani laba bantu laba basebenzisa ingqondo, abasebenzisa inhliziyo labantu abanandaba. Nje yazi ngizobona umoya nje kuseni ngizobona umoya Zero ukuthi uthini babizana
Siswami
izitha ziyawina.
Siswami ngicela ukubuza mina. You
Before ubuza ithi ngiede neRwanda uwabalile lamazwe la neRwanda uyiwinile. Uthatha wonke amakhampani eSouth Africa bayo-investa khona. Nizohamba liyosebenza eCongo nje bani baxoshwa kweCongolese. Izali.
So what is admirable about that?
What is admirable ukuthi ama-Africans ayizidom futhi ayizithuphithi ngoba awakwaziyo ke lapho. Umbuzo ubhekise kimi ngithi ngicela nithule ngoba anizungizwa kahle.
Uyahleka, siqina ngilokuhleka.
Please ngicela sorry ngokuhleka ke because into important le ngizoyisho la. 2009 when uBaba Jacob Zuma angena kwilo ama-Congolese strike lapha eJoburg athi acela iSouth Africa ibasize. You understand? Banezimpi. Uzuma uBaba Jacob Zuma wathi hey, I will never allow these Congolese to come here and strike in South Africa. Akabasizana. Not Uzuma phela. Wonke amakhanda ase-Africa anenkinga yokuthi mangabe izwe line problem like iZimbabwe in the problem of the sanction. Abantu baseZimbabwe abamukelwa anywhere ayisolve iproblem yaseZimbabwe. How many years now? Sinenkinga eAfrica yokuthi singakwazi ukusizana. Abantu bethu mase bekhala lapha eCongo uziyele khona yena uChisekedi kuDonald Trump wathi sina 60 years sinenkinga eCongo not even one African country.
You are giving me a political lecture.
Thula phela ngiqede. Umbuza ngithi awulwanga umbuzo kumele ngiqede ngeke ungibuze ngakaqedi. So yathi iCongo akukhona iyodwa iAfrican countries sizayo. Siyabaza abantu baseCongo bakhala la omama baseCongo besho ukuthi banenkinga eCongo instead bayaxoshwa everywhere. So nifuna benzeni abantu? Impilo zabantu lezi, impilo zabo. Nathi South Africa sadecide ukuthi sibe nedemocracy nepeace ngoba sasifa kufa bona kufithina.
Can we have a conversation? Let's not shout at each other.
Can you wait for me until I finish?
I don't have time.
While I'm still talking, and you ask me the question.
I don't have time.
Yes, I'm
finished.
Have time. Yes, I'm finished.
I don't have time. The thing is, I'm going to ask you follow-up questions and you're going to want to take another 5 minutes to answer a simple question.
As long as you will never allow me to answer you, then
Did you answer my question? What was my question?
I answered your question. What was your question, Gandhi? Maybe repeat your question. Maybe I answered wrong. What was your question?
Inkinga yakho khuluma too ngeke uze and une-excitement asiyazi qhamukaphi.
Exactly ngijabulela ukuthi i-America win iCongo.
Excited endaweni wrong.
Let me leave. Ngizobona lethi
Mama,
live mina ngasisikhathi seni mina ngiya-enjoya mina. Ngisavula live nabantu aba-enjoyayo. Hayi nabantu abathukuthela.
Okay, bye-bye mama. Bye-bye mama.
Wazi wamdala kodwa kunalento yenzayo.
You're not here to have a conversation. You're here to be a clown. She's here to be a clown, this woman.
She's a clown. Kunalento yenzayo and wenza into enganasidingo. Senzeni ke thini? Do we have
something nje like Zero say.
Cooking mina ngiyibona into ephika lo mama
uphekani
Ngempela Nondumiso yazi Nondumiso uqinisile uma umfundisi akayenzi iclass yabona iclass ukufundisa abantu even noma excited kodwa abantu nabo babeke esithombeni ukuze babe excited lena ayenzayo it's out of proportion it's out of order ngoba noma mina I do understand Donald Trump in my space but ukuthi ngi-engage omunye umuntu naye understand njenganami where do I go nomuntu ufuna ngihambe nomuntu endleleni ukuze naye understand mina
ukhuluma nabantu abawrong njengamanje le excitement yakho ibhekise kubantu abawrong thina we need solution uthi simsiza ngani
yes
sisiza ngani because we don't have powers sila ku panel akekho noyedwa wethu onama powers simsiza ngani ke
Your contribution to a conversation is to call us stupid.
Hayibo.
That's not a contribution. In fact, it says more about you.
Hayibo lo mama icha kahleni.
Umama umfundisi beno reds same WhatsApp group. They are the same WhatsApp group.
Yeah, no. Guys, bakhona abantu who think they are smart because they read the article or they followed a certain story and then they get excited. There's no need to be excited, you understand? We can have a robust debate without calling each other stupid. Akekho umuntu stupid la. And then we can disagree because I experienced this with a lot of people. We can disagree without insulting one another. Manje, she couldn't handle the fact that we were disagreeing with her. She's gone. She didn't want to listen to us. She's gone. We cannot allow that kind of a behavior, especially if you are trying to build a community. How are you going to build
we are stupid for being South Africans? Because you can tell wrong for being South Africans, so we are called stupid.
You know, Namine, at some point, I used to be behind Donald Trump because I felt like he's a nationalist. But how do you champion a guy who's selling out his own country to Israel? How do you champion a guy who is controlled by Israel? Because you're calling Donald Trump a champion, but Donald Trump is also a puppet to Israel. And then you're championing the same guy that is accusing you of ethnically cleansing white people. And you're calling us stupid for being taken advantage of by a superpower, a capitalist power that is trying to take advantage of our resources by trying to sanction us. You're not sanctioning us on the wrong things we have done. You are actually creating a narrative of genocide, which is false. There is no single black person ever in this country who has been in court and tried for unaliving a white person. Not a single one. And now there's a narrative that now we're ethnically cleansing, and the world is going with that narrative, and we have people like here who are championing such people, evil people, demons, who are only caring about capitalism and money. That guy, Elon Musk, that is funding him, hates South Africa, will never acknowledge himself as a South African, but he wants to come and do business with South Africa without adhering to the laws of South Africa. He's giving money to Donald Trump instead of giving money to South Africans. That's how much he hates black people. And you say those people, in other words, Umamfundisi can champion apartheid, can say apartheid was the best system ever because you guys are stupid.
But uyakwenza umama umfundisi uthanda apartheid kunathi.
Okay. Angeke ke ayikho into esingayirishina nomuntu onjalo ke. Shukuthi ukhotha indunu yabelungu ke. She's a house nigger. She's a house
I feel like she's already a sellout. Nehleko lakhona uyambona nje ukuthi she's a sellout. Mina nje angazi ukuthi besokhulumani kahle kahle naye. Because yonke into bezoyikhuluma shothi kahle kahle ufuna ukubona ukuthi thina sithini, simephi, isiqabangani. She's a sellout nje. Ayikho indaba yakhe.
Yeah. It's impossible to debate people like her because she doesn't care about a conversation. She only cares about having fun and making people angry.
How even the intro yakhe makafika la uthi nje ku0 ngize nje kuzokudina ekseni. Ne intro yakhe nje hayibo. uzuyazi ukuthi lento azoyisho iyatina and uyaqhubeka uyayisho. Hayi cha lo mama
Hey.